Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria and today I'm going to be guiding you through a 10-minute yoga flow to feel good. We're going to get started in a comfortable seated position. You can sit either on your knees or in a cross-legged position. Soften your shoulders down your back, close your eyes, and we're going to begin with 3 deep cleansing breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. One more time, breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Return back to your regular pace of breath and just allow yourself to let go of your thoughts. Come into the present moment, focusing on your breath, deep inhales and deep exhales. Keep this focus on your breath with you throughout your class today. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, place the left hand down towards the left side. Reach the right arm up and over. Open up throughout the right side of your body. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, right hand down, left arm reaches up and over. Stretch it out. Inhale, reach the arms up, hands touch at the top. Exhale, hands in prayer, soften your shoulders down your back. Left fingertips behind you, reach the right arm up. Place the right hand onto the left thigh and gaze past your left shoulder. Breathing into your spine. Come back to center. Inhale, reach the left arm up, right fingertips behind you. Twist the left hand over the right thigh. Lengthen as you twist, gaze past the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to center and interlace the hands behind the back. Inhale, open the chest, roll the shoulder blades together, pull the hands away. Exhale, you're going to fold over, allow your head to rest down onto the mat. Inhale, you're going to lift up, open the chest, pull the hands away from the back. Exhale, you're going to fold. Getting into the shoulders, let's do one more round. Inhale, open up. And exhale, fold over. On your inhale, come back, open the chest. Release the hands, walk your hands forwards in front of you. Come up into tabletop. Knees are hip width apart, hands are shoulder width apart. Inhale, move into your cow pose. Arch the back, look up to the sky, let your belly drop. Exhale, cat pose, round the back, send the shoulder blades up, let your head rest down. 2 more times. Inhale, cow pose, moving with your breath. Exhale, cat pose, round the back. Good. Let's do one more round. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, contract. Inhale, let's come back to a neutral spine. Extend your left leg back, curl your left toes under, and push back into your left heel. Option to lower down onto your forearms to deepen the stretch. Keep pushing into that back heel. Hips are square. Pull the right hip back, left hip forwards. And then slowly make your way back up onto your hands. Inhale, cow pose, open the chest. And exhale, cat pose, round the back, send the shoulder blades up. Come back to a neutral spine, bring the left knee in. And then other side, extend the right leg back, curl the right toes under, push back into your right heel, maybe lower down onto the forearms. You should feel a really nice stretch at the back of that right leg. Keep the hips square, pull the left hip back, right hip forwards. Inhale, come back up onto your hands. You're going to move into a cow pose. Arch the back, look up to the sky. And then exhale, move into your cat pose. Round the back, send the shoulders up. Let the head rest down. Let's bring that right knee in. You're going to walk the hands 1 foot forwards. Come to lay down onto your stomach. Moving on to a shoulder stretch. You're going to extend the left arm out to the side. Right hand stays in the chest. Roll onto the left shoulder, right foot comes down behind the left leg. Then you have an option to wrap the right arm around the back as well to deepen the stretch. Breathing into any tension you're feeling in the shoulders, the upper back, mid back, lower back. Right hand back down, come to lay on the stomach. Right arm extends out towards the right side, left hand in towards the chest. Right side of the head down to the mat, left foot comes down behind the right leg. Lean back into your right shoulder, and you can wrap the left arm around the back as well to deepen the stretch. Left hand back down, come back to lay on your stomach. And we're gonna make our way into a mild back bend called Sphinx Pose. So lower the forearms down to the mat, elbows are shoulder width apart. Look forwards and soften your shoulders down your back. Option to look towards the right and left to get into any tension in the neck. We're gonna hold here for a couple more breaths. If you'd like to deepen the back bend, you can come into seal pose. Open your hands onto the outside edges of your mat, push into the palms, extend the arms out straight. Engage your glutes, breathe into it. Slowly lower down, bring your hands into your chest and push yourself up into child's pose. So knees are nice and wide, big toes together. Arms extend forwards, allow the head to rest down onto the mat. Inhale, slowly begin to lift up, send the legs off to the side, and make your way into butterfly pose. Soles of the feet together, knees widen, hands behind you, and just begin to let the knees fall up and down, getting into any tension you feel in the hips. Maybe look up to the sky. And you can stay here or catch onto the ankles. Fold over, digging the elbows towards the thighs. Inhale, slowly begin to lift the upper body. Take your time. We're going to extend that right leg out on a diagonal. Bring the left foot onto the inside of the right thigh. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, walk the hands forwards and fold. If you have that flexibility, maybe catching onto the right foot with the hands, but never pushing or forcing yourself. Go where you can. Breathe into the stretch. Inhale, slowly begin to lift up. Left hand behind you, twist your right hand over that left knee. Breathe into the twist. Inhale, slowly come back to center. You're going to bend the right knee in, extend the left leg out on a diagonal. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold over that left leg. Soften your shoulders down your back, breathing into the hips. Inhale, slowly begin to walk yourself up. Place the right hand behind you, left hand onto the right knee. Lengthen as you twist, gaze past your right shoulder. Keep the left foot flexed up to the sky. Inhale, come back to center and make your way into a comfortable seated position at the top of your mat, letting your hands rest in your lap. Let's finish off with 3 deep cleansing breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. One more time, breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Set a positive intention for the remainder of your day. Hands come in prayer. I hope you enjoyed today's flow. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thank you guys and have a great day.